But here we go. I'm super liking the probe pull. They were able to do it with 4 Marines in the bunker last time.
Fall back at once!
What did they do?
Oh, I actually have a lot of doubt now.
Well, what's happening? What's happening? Why?
Will he come back with a proxy?
It's a way to go. It's a way to go.
The uppercut, the unseen attack here could bring Micro Machine back into this.
Okay, so it looks like we're okay.
Oh, there's still something weird going on.
Well, it is doing the... Let's see if it breaks or anything.
Oh, wait, no.
It's trying to do that micro, so it's doing something. Yeah, okay.
There it is.
So there is some function here that it's starting okay, and then it's
after
messing
whatever
it up.
reason, it's like, okay, wait, we still have 1 mining. So
Yeah.
for whatever reason, only 1 SCV. Nope, now no SCVs are getting the input. Okay. So
Right.
it will be
Basically,
pure Marine or nothing, I guess.
basically, let's see if this let's see if this Reaper wins the game. At least a sturdy zealot to like walk up the ramp, so that it gives you vision to start nailing things.
It's got to
But,
be the Adepts.
yeah.
I think you're right. It's got the Adept
There's
is
something
just.
about this. Yeah.
There's a lot. Well, let's see here if 1 can time out. But yeah, he just has a constant stream of Adepts. I wonder if this is a snipe or just pure luck. He can kill the Marines off. It's actually not horrible for Gency. He will be able to eventually scan and kill the Banshees again. Oh, but he doesn't kill all the Marines. Oh no!
Yeah, that is a problem because now there's nothing to really get at them. There's a tank that went to the back here. He's at least been able to clean out the Banshees. Tank in the back is not siege though.
It's just sitting there.
Yeah,
Pilot's drunk. He's just on break or something.
acting scared.
Oh boy. Oh, I wonder if Gency Bot just kind of took a little hit to the head there and can't function. Tank not doing anything. Vikings just sitting there. They are getting somebody's getting some move commands there. I see a little cursor.
Yeah,
Viking
this
Bot.
is kind of odd. The bio coming out. I wonder if the tank is like thinking it needs to back off until there's bio there to cover it or something. Because yeah, this is kind of weird. And now the bio is going to come in and just kind of kill off all the SCVs here while an entire fleet of Vikings proves that they do not have landing distance.